Yep. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So we're out here back at Windrock, favorite place to go, can't miss it. So we got a couple more Jeeps with us here today. We got one guy that's never been here over here in the ZJ. Then we got Brian from the Tennessee Ridge Monkeys, and we also got another Ridge Monkey over here. So we're gonna head out. We're gonna do Trail 72 and G55. G55 is a flex fest. So y'all stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Alright, so we just got to our first obstacle up here on Trail 72.
They're both on it right now.
I'll give you a toast.
Oh, a special?
She's ready. That's the habit.
Driver.
That got her brake.
Yes, we believe so.
And give it a little gas. You're going to drop down a little quick. You're going to go three-wheel.
You're on, yep. Yep, you're on the same thing she was. Oh, there you go.
There you go. You're good. Yep. All right, here you go. All the way down. There you go. You're good. Alright, so we just made the turn off 72 onto 55, G55. Now G55 is a black trail, but we've switched seats. She's never done this trail, I have. This is the trail that made me want coilovers. Hola.
Hola.
How's it going?
It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be.
Oh wait, you still gotta go with that.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said it's not as bad as it's supposed to. Like, yeah, whatever my words were.
Alright, give me a second, I'll spot you up. Slow, slow. Whoa. How was that?
Not too bad. We got a little tipsy there for a second, but
So woo! That's very flexing that right there. Come to me. Come to me. Yep. Yep, stay to me. Stay to me. Yep, just follow where she's at. Great. Hold that. How was that?
How it's done.
So, how'd that feel?
Felt cool.
Yep. Stay like that. Rear's coming up. Easy, easy, easy. 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 Yep. Yep. Here. Yep. There you go. Oh. Yeah, we don't need a broken axle on this truck. Back up just a little bit. She's stuck. Yep, 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 yep. You got back up. It's too much on the angle. Back up slow. Yep, right there. Now turn your wheel just the hair to the driver or passenger. Just the hair, right there, right there. Nope, come back. Woo! Almost died. Right there. Yep, turn passenger. Doing good. Hold that line right there. Turn just a hair passenger. Passenger. Yep, hold that line. Back up.
Slid off. I
back up. Pop the flip off. Big driver. Come on. There you go.
Woo!
So, I didn't break the Jeep.
I didn't break the Jeep. I was following directions.
She broke the fender.
I was following directions and it only broke a clip off. Come on. It's not as bad as busting up the, I can't even think of the name of them right now.
She don't even know the name of
Oh
it.
my word.
What? She's screaming. Yeah? Let's take it with you.
Time to burn the Jeep then.
Why are you making me take the bypass?
I'm not. I said go that way.
Oh.
All right, everybody. So we made up Trail G55. It is a black trail. Had a great time out here with everybody. I think everybody enjoyed their day out here. Anybody not enjoy it?
No.
Everybody enjoyed it. We had a blast. We got a couple vehicles that got some damage. We got a little bit of damage. We got a Fitz fender. The ZJ here, he's got a mirror to put back on. Other than that, everybody else is good. Even the stock Jeep over here, she did good with hers. So everybody, we want to thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. See y'all.